Alright, I wasn't always sure how this was going to turn out. This being my first time painting any kind of a automotive paint. There are some issues with it, but overall pretty dang good, I think, for the first time. I didn't have any fish eyes or other stuff, but right here you can kind of see I got a little bit overdone with the gun. But anyways, she's a pearl, so she changes color with the sun. And then there's vinyl, and I put 5 coats of clear over that. Right now this is the day right after shooting it, so I'm gonna let it harden up for a bit, but wanted to get it on because today's probably gonna be the last real nice day of a ride. So do some riding, give her a good wash tomorrow, and then I'll probably cut and buff it this winter. Anyways, it's just my wife's bike. She's really happy about it, so I'm really happy. Could have went a lot worse for her first time.